Welcome to this video on exploring your clustering results using the special x-axis in OMIQ. After you've run a clustering task and created categorical filters for your clusters, you can now explore and annotate the phenotype of your clusters. One way to do this is with a figure task. In the figure task, create a scatter plot overlay, then work down the plot settings and customize each as needed. Begin by changing the overlay type to overlay both filters and files. Select the files you want to concatenate and show together. And identify the filters to overlay. For this example, we will select one of the clusters from the clustering result and any other higher-up filter in the hierarchy. Unfiltered works well. The plot on the left now shows your chosen filter overlaying the rest of your file. For this type of plot, you need to change the y-axis to any fluorescent or similar feature. Then scroll down to the special x-axis mode and select Features. Next, choose the features you want to add to your plot. OMIQ will add them in the order you select them. For example, if you pick CD3 followed by CD4 and then CD8, they will appear on the plot in this order. Once you have added the desired features, you may want to change the plot aesthetics. One important option is to unlink the plot resolution, allowing you to edit the plot's X or Y resolution independently and make the plot labels more visible. Now, you have an overlay for one filter or cluster, clearly showing the phenotype of that filter based on how it compares to the rest of the file. To create the same plot for every filter or every cluster, simply right-click the plot and select Permute and Permute by Filter. OMIQ will display a list of all available filters or clusters. Because this example was a 30-cluster flowsum, I will choose the other 29 clusters. Once your clusters are selected, scroll to the bottom and click New Row, then Permute. OMIQ will produce an overlay for every filter, allowing you to see each filter in the context of the rest of the files. Now you can go through and start annotating or understanding those clusters' phenotypes. And that's a simple way to use the special x-axis in OMIQ to help you explore and annotate the phenotype of your clusters. To learn more, visit omiq.ai.